Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best LMS platforms that you can actually check out for yourself, and maybe it's going to be beneficial for you. So quick and effective for you, alright? The first one is called TalentLMS. So this is kind of like cloud-based LMS for organization of all sizes and industries. You can have plenty of offering tools also for employee onboarding, compliance training, and customer education. So you can have web content, videos, document surveys, and also quizzes here. You can have also the gamification elements, white labeling, custom domains, logos, colors, and themes. And then you can have the registration methods, self-registration, single sign-on, and also mobile apps for iOS and Android. So TalentLMS is also first one, very interesting one. Now for the pricing here, as you can see, you can have monthly and yearly plan, and it starts from 1 to 40 users for $140 a month. Or you can have yearly, which is 119, and that's pretty much it. So it depends what kind of features you actually need. Now that's the first one. The next one that I want to share with you is BrainCert. So the BrainCert, it's kind of like the AI powered LMS with 300 plus features and integration, and then also you can have built-in CRM reports, analytics, location-based insight, group management for teams, departments, assessment for academics, and you can have create a cert here. So you can have the virtual classroom with 100 plus interactive tools. So that's something to check out. Now you can have the pro version, Elite, or Grow. With the pro version, you can have no transaction fees, up to 3,000 contacts, unlimited emails, and unlimited courses bundles, unlimited live classes, just a lot of things here. Then you can have also the detailed reports, enrollments, test results, attendance, sales revenue. Now what is great is that you can actually click here, get started, and start, and you can have 14-day free trial to see actually for yourself if you like it and if you prefer working with that. Now that's the another one. The next one is called Learn Worlds. Now Learn Worlds, what is really interesting, it's kind of a lightweight LMS for creating, delivering, and scaling online training, and it's so much stuff that you can do with that, and maybe you would like it. Now what you need to know about Learn Worlds is that it's pretty complex and the learning curve is higher, that you can do a lot of stuff here. You can have plenty of integration, and I even made a tutorial, a 2-hour I think long on it, and it's it's insane tool. But it's it got the learning curve, all right? So that's something that you have to be definitely aware of if you want to actually use it. Now the next one, this connecting. So also what I want to mention, guys, for the pricing for the Learn Words, when you're going to be here, you're going to have the starter here for a 29 euro a month, ProTrain 99, Learning Center 299. So that's what you can actually expect out of it. Now for the connecting, it was the ad here. So the connecting, mobile friendly workforce management with built-in training and onboarding, designed for remote dispersed workforces, real-time progress tracking, interactive quizzes, surveys, and digital forms, a bite-sized micro training units, centralized knowledge base with customizable access permission, and pricing starts $29 a month, but that's something that you can actually check out. You can start now to base the communication, HR skill, what you actually need, but connecting is also good. Now the next one is called Thinking Plus. So with the Thinking Plus, what you can actually expect, it's kind of unlock your revenue and crash churn with the learning platform learning. So built in on thinking platform designed for education at scale, most cost-effective solution for mid-market to enterprise organizations, unlimited admin accounts, sites, courses, dedicated custom success manager, advanced customization, gives high volume user scalability. Also cost-effective alternative to bigger traditional LMS platforms. And this is something that you can actually check out for yourself, the Plus version, and maybe you're gonna like it. And then you can have the iSpring Learn. This is kind of another one. So a cloud-based LMS for small to medium businesses. Also fast setup, you can upload materials, invite employees, track progress quickly. Content types like audio, video, quizzes, role plays, multimedia modules. And you can also work with this. You can have user management roles here, permissions, and based on the business here, you see how many people you got and how much it would actually cost. Then also certification management with custom certificates, and that's it. Now for the high Bob, so it's kind of the Bob learning. So this is kind of like the all-in-one HR platform for integrated learning module, build courses catalog using internal content and external providers like Udemy, for example. You can have intuitive also course wizard, detailed learning metrics, automations here, interactive quizzes, tests, video-based lessons, mobile learning through the HiBob app, and yeah. So the HiBob is also interesting one for the pricing here. What you can actually like, you can actually get the custom pricing here for yourself, and it's very popular platform too. So maybe you're gonna like it, where you're gonna like the productivity booster, data analyzer, the growth coach, or you can have product navigator, and then you're gonna have the last one that's called like Trenial. So with the Trenial right here, it's kind of like the alternative. So you can have like the onboarding, training, and process documentation. And you can have like user-friendly interface, customizable templates, assign specific training modules, and you can have detailed analytics and reporting, track competition, time spent, identify areas needing support. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. You can have like the demo for the Pro, Premium, Enterprise Core accounts, and if you like it, and you can have like the documentation processes, onboarding, training, or organization chart directory, roles and responsibilities. So yeah, check these ones out. Maybe some of it is going to help you and be beneficial. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.